So hi everyone, today we will be exploring how you can use Gemma2 2 billion model. So Google has recently launched the second series of the Gemma models, and the smallest member of this family, that is the 2 billion parameter model, is out now. Surprisingly, it has already beaten GPT 3.5 on many metrics, so it looks to be very important. I think given the size, this can be a mind-blowing innovation done, because now you might be able to use the LLM, such a powerful LLM, on a local system as well without a GPU. So this is very crucial. So today we'll be testing out Gemma 2 billion using Hugging Face. So for that, you first need to have your Hugging Face read token ready with you. So how to generate it? You just need to go to tokens into your settings on Hugging Face. You need to log into your account and then create a read token. I have already done a video on how to create read tokens in Hugging Face, so you can check that out. So once you have created your read token from Hugging Face, you need to pass it as a variable to the environment variable hf underscore token. I think rest of the steps are very easy. You just need to call out this pipeline. This is getting imported from transformers. Text generation model is Google forward slash Gemma hyphen 2 hyphen 2b hyphen IT. IT refers to instruction tune. So basically, if you're going for text completion, not for Q&A, you can go with the base model, that is 2 hyphen 2b. But if you want to have a Q&A sort of a retrieval, then go for the instruction tune model for every model that you use from Hugging Face. I think rest of the process remains quite easy. You just need to create a message of this format where the role is user and content is who are you, please answer in Hindi. So basically this is would be the input prompt, and the output prompt would be role assistant, and the answer by the LLM. Now we are completing the pipe, passing the messages. Max new tokens is 256. So basically this will be the token length that would be generated by the LLM. You can increase or decreases depending upon you. And then nothing has to be done. It's quite easy to use. Output are generated here as you have passed the messages to the pipe function, which is saving the pipeline object that we have already loaded the Gemma 2b IT model. And we will now check out the results. So I think if you look for the first response that I've asked, who are you, answer in Hindi, so it is able to give me an answer. मैं Google DeepMind द्वारा प्रशिक्षित एक बड़ा भाषा मॉडल हूँ, मेरा नाम गेमा है, and so on. Looks very clear to me, very pure Hindi. Next, I tried it out on a mathematical problem. So I do remember Chat GPT when it used to have 3.5 turbo. It was failing on mathematical problems with decimal points when I was exploring it. But let's check it out whether Gemma 2b is able to counter that. What is 7.1 into 8.5? It is able to give me an answer 60.35, which is correct. If you don't believe, you can check it out on yourself. The third one I tried out was on a coding task, write Python code for data analysis for an image data set. Again, the same format. The output looks correct to me because I have been working on some parts of CV right now. So it does make sense because it is using image data generator. It is able to use train generator, test generator, etc. And the last prompt that I tried out was on a creative task to write a short story on superhero Agman, the fire guy, and the reply looks pretty good. The city was a tinderbox, not literally of course, but the air crackled with tension, etc. Here, a new row cooperation, techno cop, Agman size. So I can see the words that I was looking for, whether it is able to make out some story or not. It is able to do that. So it looks crazily amazing given the size, because 2B, trust me, is nothing. 2 billion parameters are still very small, and if it is able to give a performance very similar to 3.5 turbo, I think we are in for a treat. Thank you so much. I hope you also try it out Gemma 2 billion model on